Paying $110 for SIM card.
You know God don't play about you, so why you worried about what your enemy's saying? Why are you even listening? Learn how to turn a deaf ear and a blind eye to BS.
You guys, it's officially day 1 in Canada, and we're going to Walmart. We want to go get some things. Nothing special, because today is actually my resting day, but we're going around to Surrey Central. Yeah. What else are we getting?
Whatever you want.
Pasta, do you have pasta I can make?
Yeah.
Spaghetti.
I think so.
You think we should buy one?
Let's just buy in case. But if you want pasta, then we're going that way. That way.
You guys, as much as I know flowers are expensive, I love receiving them. So I woke up and I was looking at my bouquet of flowers and I was just so happy, grateful. I didn't know how to preserve them, but like I kept them outside at the end of the day. Yeah, this was everything I got. Are you like me, or you think flowers are overrated like most people? You guys, it's the morning and on my way out, I need to go get my SIN, which is SIN number, social insurance number. And yeah, I'm all dressed up already. They said it's very cold outside. It's raining, so yeah. You guys, I feel very heavy with all this layer of clothes. It's very cold outside. Good morning. With all my layer of clothes.
Jesus. I did not tell you to put too many layers.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
I was like, this one has become mommy already.
I'm sorry.
Because this is what mommy does. She made you wait for like 30 minutes before she comes.
Sorry. I'm sorry. When I was done, at this point, everywhere has brightened up a little bit because it was raining and it was time to go apply for my BC ID card.
Say my name, those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking your phone and knock.
We went to Service Canada where we're done with everything. So we're just, yeah, this.
So since I've gotten all my ID for day 3, I went to the mall to get a SIM card. I checked the different options and went with the one that I liked. Children of God, I'm paying $110 for SIM card.
Welcome to Canada. Don't cry, it's okay. It is well.
We have to work hard, of course. You guys, so after the entire paperwork, the good thing is that I would pay the money at the end of the month or before the end of the month. I want to start decorating my room, so for day 4 we had to go to IKEA to check out some wardrobes and things that I would need. And yeah, first stop was at McDonald's because we had to eat and, you know, on our way.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body has two tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing.
So I checked out a few wardrobe options and also a bed because I do need a bed. A nice bed. I saw some with storage, and then the mattress. It wasn't so expensive, but I didn't get any today. I would definitely be back. And then I saw a wardrobe that I think I liked, but I don't know if it fits. What do you guys think? I don't even know what to do in terms of design yet. I'm just looking.
Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for locking your phone and not coming home and start some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No difference, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit was slow. I come through these whips that make a young boy take a long way.
Day 5 was definitely a stay-at-home day cooking with the boys. We're making stew and some other things. I don't even know why I stopped filming the stew because it was so delicious, you guys.
Get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values. I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me with someone.
You okay, Jaden?
No, that's not how I said you should hold it. You hold it like this. Yeah.
Hello. Welcome back to Jaden.
Cooking?
Stew!
What kind of stew?
Tomato stew!
What kind of protein?
Turkey!
Turkey. We're making turkey stew, right?
Yeah. Looking for tomato stew. All I want to put is you. Looking for tomato stew.
Now it's my turn. Excuse me.
With the oil. Second, put the turkey during finished. And now,
We fried the turkey.
yeah. So now we finished the turkey, which is finished. We are doing the stew. And so we used to, hear the turkey. People you can literally see it. Oh my god.
And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gonna electric. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed $60. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turtle, little dotty, ain't no wife about it. Fuck her friends and send her back to metro housing. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, too sexy for the trap.
So after a long day of going to the bank to check if I could open a second account, because I mean I would just like to be banking with two different banks even though I just came newly, and also because I couldn't get a credit card from my first bank because of some funny and weird reasons. I tried to check if the second bank was going to work or if I have to book appointments with others. So we decided to go to the mall later in the evening and we opted for ice cream. That was our first stop. This ice cream was so nice and so good.
Nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how pretty it is.
in your mouth.
Dude, why are you eating like that?
I feel
Dirty. Joshua, why do you look like that?
fuck you, that don't mean I trust you. I don't. We got some high hopes. High hopes, baby. For me crazy, I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the phone, but used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for nothing, but you pull up when I call. Oh, they couldn't respect me.
If I tell you that I'm not tired of this hair, I'm lying. I don't like carrying braids for this long. But it's been 5 days, not that long. But like, I'm tired, I want to take it down. Guys, you know I don't even like wearing makeup, but can you see that skin glow? Can you see that? It can only be from God. Oh. Forget all the skincare brands that are telling you rubbish. Anyways, it's day 7 and we went on a road trip, myself and Madiana. I'm sure you've seen her in the beginning of this vlog. She's basically my sister here, and I went with her to Chilliwack, another city here in British Columbia. It was such a fun trip. It was like 1 hour drive, and I'm going to show you that in a different vlog, okay?
Oh, the license is great. Hi guys, so we're here after suffering for like 20 hours, but we made it.
I'm missing the road how many times? So we're at Curtis Lake.
Curtis Lake.
Where's the I inside? Curtis.
Well, that's a Canadian pronoun.
Really?
Yeah, that's a pronoun.
Wow. Okay. We are at Curtis Lake.
Mommy said we should come today. Now, this is the place that mommy was
Saying we should come. Yeah, that's true. You guys, we're at Curtis Lake, spelled as Curtis. Well, we're in Canada. We have to blend.
You have to adjust.
We have to adjust.
Oh, what a feeling to wake up every day knowing I am loved by you. I can't believe it.
Okay. Hey guys. Stop.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Your teacher.
Guys, I can't feel my hands. I'm
Frozen.
legs. We are frozen.
I look like a rose goat right now.
Because of pictures.
We're taking photos because
We're taking photos. Yeah,
obviously the view is given. Like,
Yeah, this view is given, as you guys can see.
that's like a
The
body.
park will come back here, act like a body. You guys, we are freezing. In fact, we are frozen already. But the pictures are given. Don't worry. You see it on Instagram, on TikTok,
Snapchat, everywhere.
on
Name
YouTube.
it. Name it. It's coming.
But yeah, we had fun. It wasn't that bad.
It wasn't
Let's go
actually
eat. I'm
bad.
very hungry now.
We're going home.
I can't believe that.
It wasn't really bad. I think Joris is tired.
Oh, yeah, she's probably tired because
I thought she was talking to guys. I thought it was her.
Oh. Anyways, you guys, we had a fun day
We had a
here
really
at...
fun day. It was so fun.
What made it
And
fun? Pictures.
Photos, videos.
Videos and photos,
Made
and
it so fun.
she was showing off this her Ikebe super. Where are you guys? Yeah, I think this is the end of this vlog, or almost the end, because we're going home.
Yeah, we're going
We
home.
don't know what we're going to be up to tonight, but yeah,
Thank you.
we're probably done
Are you driving?
for the day. I can drive, yeah. All right.
Okay, guys, we're going home.
Why?